Hello guys, we are on the shooting range and now we are testing Taurus 454 Casull. Oh, it kicks like hell. Look at the round. Jesus Christ. Oh, my hands. Oh. God help me. Okay, let's rock. Whoa! Fuck. Ah! 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 Oh God, my hands. Ah! Yeah. Good one. Good one. Now we will clean it. Let's go.
Hello again. Today we're gonna clean this revolver. That's a Taurus Raging Bull 454 Casull. And Thomas is still recovering after shooting with this hand cannon.
Ah!
So I'm gonna clean it, and he told me he doesn't want to shoot it anymore.
Oh God!
So he's gonna put it in the closet, in a safe box. So we're gonna preserve it with the Longterm Protector, but at first we need to clean it.
Ah! Yeah.
Of course, safety at first. Gun is empty, every chamber is empty, and we're gonna use at first the bore foam for the barrel and for each hole in the cylinder. We need to shake it a little bit and apply. Here we go. All right. All right. So each chamber is filled with the foam, and now we need to wait for 10 minutes so the foam works in this time. So see you soon. Okay, so the foam worked, and now we can clean it with the gun cleaner. Of course, we're gonna leave the barrel to the end. We're gonna clean the rest. So let's spray the dirt out. Okay, you can see the dirt is coming out. So fast and easy and efficient. Compensator, that's a place when dirt is getting poured, and the barrel inside. And that's it. Now we can dry it a little bit with our gun care towels. And now we're gonna dry each chamber separately, like this. last one. And that's it. So, the chambers are clean, and now we're gonna clean the barrel inside. Clean. It's more like getting it dry, because come on. One more time. Next try. Second and third. As you can see, the third one came out clean. So this was the first two, and this is the third. So revolver is quite clean right now, and as I said, Thomas, he's not interested in shooting it for some time.
Whoa!
So we don't going to use the curse spray. We're gonna use the long-term protector to preserve it, to save it in a safe box for I don't know how long. Okay, so this specific, you can just spray the weapon all over it, and you can put it in a safe box for 12 plus months. We just need to apply it on each part of a weapon. Into the chambers. And the barrel. And without the tube, we can use it as a normal spray. And that's it. Thomas, it's ready.
Whoa!